Assalamualaikum and welcome to my video. My name is Luqman Hakim bin Muhammad Jazid, and for this project, actually I would like to bring all of you to watch my journey in growing the water spinach. The reason why I am choosing the water spinach for this project is that the water spinach is an easy growing plant that need less care and can grow easily. Next, it is also a fast growing plant and I will have enough time to finish before the project ends. So the first step is I soak the seeds of the water spinach in a cup of water for a night, and the next step is I am go to the oil palm plot in the university to take a little amount of the peat soil there, and I am decided to use the peat soil because peat soil usually hold water, and it is very important for me to use that kind of soil because water spinach need a lot of water to grow. After taking the soil at the oil palm plot, I plough the soil and arrange it in the poly bag so that we are going to sowing it in the poly bag. So I prepared 4 poly bags and I put around 4 to 5 seeds for each poly bag. After that, I decided to put the poly bags in the greenhouse so that I can avoid it from the heavy rain or gain too much sunlight. I started to watering them, and the next day I start watering them using the sprinkler in the greenhouse. And actually I watering them twice a day, which is in the early morning and late evening. So after that, I am observing them for every days, but I am observing them only for the first 2 weeks because the another 4 weeks, actually I did this project for 6 weeks. So for the first 2 weeks, I observe them every day, and the other 4 weeks, actually I not observing them too much because of I am quite busy and I come to the greenhouse every day, only switching on the sprinkler and turn them off, and I go home so that I not manage them properly for the next 4 weeks, but I get the picture for the first 2 week process. So after the 6 week of process, I can see roughly my water spinach is growing well, and I decided to watch closely my water spinach, and we are going to observe what happened to my water spinach, and let's watch it. Now, as we can see, my water spinach is growing well after 6 weeks, but there are some yellowish leaves, and there are also a lot of weeds inside the polybag. Now, I am going to harvesting the water spinach, and I got around 13 water spinach, and we are going to wash the water spinach to remove the soil at the roots and to clean the leaves of the water spinach, and I using a pipe water. Actually, I have a request from my friend, which is he's like to buy my water spinach. So this is a video I deliver my water spinach to him, and I sell to him for RM1 ringgit. So that's all. So we are finished the 6 weeks of journey in growing the water spinach. Now I will explain briefly about maybe something error or something that we can improve in growing the water spinach. So the first step is actually I have mentioned that I soak the seed with water for a night. So I think before it happen, I should soak the seed with fungicide for maybe in 10 minutes to avoid the plant growing with fungi. For the second advice that I can give, that actually we need to give enough attention to our plants. Actually although we are using the sprinkler, but we need to take look for our plants, which is in this video we can see that there are a lot of weeds inside the polybag. So by monitoring them, we can avoid the weed and we can cut it by pick the weed out from the polybag, so that our plant will receive enough nutrient and will not sharing with the weeds. So monitoring or take care of our plants is very important in order to identify is there a problem on our plants or not. The last one, actually, for the water spinach, we can also add some fertilizer in order to enhance the growth of the water spinach. And in this project, I do not add any fertilizers among the 6 weeks of duration, so that we can add the fertilizer in order to enhance the growth. Okay, that's all from me. I have showed my experience on the plant growing, which is the water spinach, and I have also mentioned some error and suggestion that can be used in growing the plant. Thank you for watching this video. Assalamualaikum. Bye.